First, we thought about you, your brand, your business, your customers and patrons, the people who enjoy your VR experiences, the places they go, and the memories you want to leave them with. Then, we designed a product and platform that fixed everything in the way of simplicity. EDEN Snacker features a patented grip that makes immersive content snackable. Without the feeling of being strapped into a VR headset, it's easier for people to dive in and out, which leads to higher engagement. There's also no need to learn any complicated VR controls. When your customer holds the headset to their face, they're good to go. The headset docks on a smart stand, which has a modular cradle that clips on, so a variety of headsets can be fitted to Snacker in future. It also features a wireless induction charger, which charges the headset between uses. We've added a tablet controller too, so giving VR demos is as easy as opening the EDEN app. Just pick the content you want your customer to enjoy, and the headset will automatically play when they hold it to their face. If you want to offer a completely seamless brand experience, EDEN Snacker comes in a self-service kiosk version too. This puts the user in control and lets them rate their experience, while the screen provides additional visibility for your brand. At the heart of Snacker is EDEN's Blackboard, which ensures it always stays connected, making remote device and content management easier than ever before. We built in 4G and 5G ready support, so it can be deployed and maintained without a Wi-Fi or wired connection. Just plug it into a power outlet and Snacker does the rest. This built-in connectivity also allows you to get deep insights on how EDEN Snacker is boosting your brand or business. Our analytics platform measures user behavior and device health, ensuring you reap the benefits of immersive tech for your business or brand. EDEN Snacker is VR designed for people. VR made easy. Join us on this journey. Visit our website to find out more about our partner program for brands, businesses, ad agencies, and creators.